If you have ever gone to the doctor's office because your ear was clogged and they bring out a bottle that looks like this and you're like, yeah, I could have saved a lot of money and just done that for myself at home. Well, here you go. Now is your solution. This was gifted to me from the brand to share with you, so I'm going to show you how it works. So again, when you have a clogged ear or you know that there's wax buildup, the first thing to do, which is really great that this company includes it in the kit, so thank you, is they have these little vials and you just rip one off here and you're gonna try to preemptively soften the earwax because the earwax can't get loose, or that clog or whatever the piece of earwax that is stuck needs to work itself loose. So you're gonna take this off and just squeeze it into your ear, and then you're just gonna let it sit. Probably 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes if it's really bad. And let it soften the wax. And so when you bring in the water flush, it will flush it all out, okay? And it will actually work better for you. So again, place this first, and then you're gonna fill up the actual bottle here. You wanna make sure that it's not hot water and not cold water, kind of that right in the middle, warm water, because you don't want it to be too hot to burn your ear, and you don't want to be too cool that it doesn't have any like loosening properties to loosen it up. Also, they send you with this really nice little catcher, and so you're able to tuck it. You can see right there, you're able to kind of tuck it right around your ear, however, whatever fits the best. And so it doesn't just go down all the way your neck. And so it fits just right here, and then the sprayer is just gonna come right over here and is gonna collect anything. So a really nice angle that they made it, and so you're able to point that down to catch all the fluid into the actual container. They come with different tips. So when you first get it, it has this on it. You're gonna take this off and you're gonna attach the nozzle. And then there are extras of these. I think there's 3. And so, you know, multiple uses, different family members, whatever the scenario is, you're able to get multiple uses out of it. And then it also is going to come with the ear cleaner wax mix. So you can mix this into here. And just so you know, the ingredients are sodium bicarbonate, erythritol, and colloidal oatmeal. So pretty simple ingredients that you're gonna mix together in here, again with warm water, not super, super hot. And then, you know, maybe test it out to make sure it's coming through. And you can see, let's see if I can get you to, it's a pretty good, pretty forceful, okay? And so it's in your ear canal, that's gonna be loosening up any debris that you might have. So here we're gonna try it out. So again, try and find the right side that fits well. I think it's the smaller side that fits right into your ear. And then you're gonna kind of tilt your head, and so it will come out into the cup, and just take your time, okay? And you can feel how forceful, how aggressive that you need to be able to get it out. And then you're able to take as much time as you need and to go as quickly or slowly as you can to try to release some of that buildup. And this one, I think it says, yeah, it says it's a weekly. So if on the weekly, or maybe you're noticing that you have more of a buildup problem, that it's happening more consistently. So these wash packets, it says it's weekly. And so you can use that weekly. And then these ones I think are more, if you have a major issue, to soften everything, and then you use these as like follow-ups to try and keep things clear and moving and clean. So again, if you're trying to, you know, maybe save on some money, maybe you, like me, my husband, we've gone before to have our ear cleaned out, and honestly, I say every time, I could just do that at home, which now you can. So save yourself some time, save yourself some money, and maybe your kids have issues with it too, or whatever the case is. But hopefully you found this helpful and you can pick this up, and we'll see you next time.